Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to avoid scams while using Trezor Suite. Using a hardware wallet like Trezor is one of the safest ways to store cryptocurrency, but scams are still the biggest risk, not the technology itself. Most attacks don't hack your wallet. Instead, they try to trick you into giving away your recovery seed or approving a malicious transaction. And understanding how scams work and how to avoid them is essential, keeping your funds secure while using Trezor Suite. So first, once you open your Trezor Suite with a Face ID or your fingerprint, never share a recovery seed. Never share a recovery seed. Your recovery seed phrase is the most important part of your wallet. If someone gets a seed phrase, they can instantly steal all your funds, and only use the official Trezor website and app. Scammers often create fake websites that look identical to the Trezor. Always type the URL manually trezor.io, bookmark the official site as well. And always verify your Trezor device. Your Trezor hardware device is your final security checkpoint. You can go to the setting on the bottom right and make sure you manage the privacy there. And you can also enable the biometric here and keep a recovery seed offline. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down.